Sharon and Hanming had a total of 120 cards. Sharon gave 1/5 of her cards to Hanming, then Hanming gave 1/4 of his cards to Sharon. In the end, both of them had the same number of cards. How many cards did Sharon have at first? When I see questions like that, I will usually work from the back. So I'll work from the last sentence, which says that in the end, both of them had the same number of cards. So I will draw the model. Sharon and Hanming, they both had the same number of cards. Now, they had the same number of cards because the second last sentence says that Hanming gave 1/4 of his cards to Sharon, which means that Hanming ended up in this situation because he gave away 1 unit. So what is left is 3 units. So if this is cut into 3 units, this will also be cut into 3 units. So you have to go back one stage to how were the cards actually distributed prior to this. It will mean that Sharon will have to return 1 unit to Hanming. So Sharon would have only 2 units, while Hanming would have 4 units. Okay, so and now they end up in this situation because we have to go back one sentence. It's because Sharon gave 1/5 of her cards to Hanming. So Sharon ended up like this because Sharon gave 1/5 of her cards to Hanming. If Sharon gave away 1 unit out of 5 of her cards to Hanming, it means that Sharon actually has 4 units left. So from 2 units, we need to make it to change it to 4 units. So how do we do this? By cutting it again into half. Now, Sharon has 4 units left, and she ended up like this because she gave 1 unit to Hanming. So Hanming has to return 1 unit back to Sharon. So if we were to move back to the first stage, it means that Sharon would have a total of 5 units, while Hanming will have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. Then the first sentence tells us that Sharon and Hanming had a total of 120 cards. So we know that there's a total of 120 cards, and this is based on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 units. So 12 units is 120. Therefore, 1 unit would be 120 divided by 12, which gives us 10. The question is asking how many cards did Sharon have at first. So Sharon has a total of 5 units. So 5 units would be 5 times 10, which gives us 50. So Sharon had 50 cards at first.